Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be looking at basic attention token and its valuations against Bitcoin, not to be confused with the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, with the state of the altcoin market right now, it's not looking too good with Bitcoin moving up to $51,000. Naturally, the US dollar should be fine. As we see with Ethereum, it's at 1820. Chainlink, it's at $32. Uniswap is still at 21 roughly. Basic attention tokens at 57 cents. We're still far away from where we were, 3 weeks ago, for example. With basic attention token, however, against Bitcoin, it's much like with other altcoins where it's bleeding against Bitcoin. With basic attention token on the daily, we see that 20-day was a form of resistance uh, where we saw it hug below the 20-day. We managed to break above it. And when we came back down, we hugged it. We hugged the 20-day until another move up. And we came back down. And here we are at the 20-day again. Also, what's interesting to see, the 20-week is also now acting as resistance for basic attention token. We see it currently right under it. Last week we closed below it. We wicked above it, but if it's not if it's not closing above the 20-week, then we haven't broke it, I think, in my opinion. However, it seems that basic attention token is in a rock and a hard place, where it's holding the 20-day as support as it has a little while ago. It looks to be respecting that as support. At the same time, when we flip it to the 20-week, it is currently acting as resistance. So we're having the 20-day as support, the 20-week as resistance, and we're kind of closing in. If we're able to draw an imaginary 20-day here, we see it riding below as support, and we see the white line of the 20-week coming down, and we're kind of building a wedge here. And I think ultimately we'll see a breakout. Now, that breakout is highly dependent on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to continue price discovery mode? Is it going to continue reaching new highs, especially we're at $50,000, $51,000 now? Do we see a parabolic move like what we saw when we broke $20,000, for example? As soon as we broke it, we saw a 22% move on the week for Bitcoin, causing altcoins to bleed strenuously. If that happens, then unfortunately, I would have to say that the basic attention token to Bitcoin valuation is going to drop, and therefore the 20-day is going to break as support. If Bitcoin, um, like what I said yesterday, kind of holds this level, even comes back down below $50,000. In that scenario, I said that we don't necessarily go above $50,000, but if we stay right below it, I think the same kind of mindset would occur if we were just hugging or just over $50,000 and we held it for a good amount of time. Then it could be a good thing for altcoins. Now, when Bitcoin is less volatile, that's when altcoins make their move. And if there's enough time given, then we might see basic attention token take advantage of that and therefore break above the 20-day to continue higher. I would obviously like my altcoin positions to continue moving forward so I can sell it off. But the market doesn't revolve around me and I have to pivot. With that said, that pivoting is just not doing nothing. It's just not doing anything. It's not like if Bitcoin rallies and basic attention token breaks from here, I'm not going to be selling immediately. It's going to take a lot more than that for me to let go of the positions that I have. Um, uh, but again, it's a delicate situation here with risky assets like basic attention token. Mind you, this is a sub 50 coin. The market cap is not very large in comparison to others, and therefore we have to treat it with the utmost delicacy, I think. Um, and with basic attention token, I have my eyes set obviously on the upper trading channel, but I also realize that it cannot happen. and that is the risk that you take. Now with basic attention token, I do not have the same probable expectations like I do with Ethereum or Bitcoin, for example, and that would reflect on the size of my position relative to my portfolio. Basic attention token is a very small slice of my portfolio. With that said, with basic attention token, keep an eye on Bitcoin. If we see any further movement to the upside with Bitcoin in a strong fashion, uh, expect the valuation to break the 20-day for basic attention token, and we might be revisiting the lows of like what we saw at the end of December. But we're far away from that. Currently, right now, I think we're like 30% away from that, 40% away from that valuation. So we're still pretty far away, but we should be aware of it. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.